A float is a fractional number. I already have a video covering how the normal math operators work on integers that I'll link in the description. Floats work with these operators in much the same way that integers do, except for some outliers that I'll cover in this video. This first one is so strange that I don't really know the explanation behind it. The type function will rightly tell you that the type of 5.0 is float. However, if you call isInteger on 5.0, it will return true, meaning it is an integer. So it seems as though 5.0 is somehow both an integer and a float. Because of the way computers store values, you can never get truly precise floating point numbers. Here's a classic example. If I do 0.1 plus 0.2, what do you think I'll get? If you answered 0.3, you'd be wrong. You get 0.3 and then a real small bit added to the end of it. So if you try to do something like checking if 0.1 plus 0.2 equaled 0.3, you'd get false. The correct way to check something like this would be checking that the absolute value of subtracting 0.3 from the result that you get is less than 1,000th. Practically, you're checking that the distance between the two numbers is so negligible that for all intents and purposes, they're equal.